Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you what is effectively a brand spanking new Kawasaki Ninja 400. Now it's a 399cc, 47 brake horsepower, A2 legal sports tourer, and as you can see it's absolutely stunning, having covered just under 300 miles from new. Not a mark, a scratch, nothing like that at all. It's showroom condition, as you can see. So starting at the front, brand new tyres, dual ABS front and rear. Got the signature front end twin headlights, and one really nice feature about this bike is this Ninja logo. So it's a bit like a hologram actually, if you can see that really or appreciate that in this light. But it's really cool. I've never seen that before, and that's actually in the paintwork. That's not a decal. It's a really nice feature, that. As you can see, completely standard unmolested bike. This is a parallel twin engine, so it makes really good low down torque, makes it perfect for city and town riding and economical when you're out on the roads. So it's a really nice combined sports tourer, commuter, or even just a first A2 legal sports bike. It's got quite a neutral riding position. Standard exhaust, you might want to change that. We could offer an upgrade for you before you take the bike. We give 10% on accessories with the bike or to customers thereafter. Perhaps you might want a tail tidy and a seat cowl to go with that as well. It's a 2019 registered 19 plate bike, so it's an early registered version in the new colour scheme. As you can see there, it's still got the lines on the tyres. Chains immaculate. It doesn't look like it's ever been ridden. And again, you can see this really nice, like a holographic Ninja on the side. It's really nice, a really nice touch. So, option to fit a USB adapter there if you wanted to. We've got the 2 keys, all the manuals, and it's not had its first service yet, so we'll be doing that before the bike actually goes out. So there you can see on this bike you benefit from a gear shift indicator showing your shift position there. Obviously you've got your clock, your revs, fuel, temperatures, speed, and then there you go, 282 miles from new. So as you'd expect, it is brand spanking new condition. There's no scuffs or scratches whatsoever to this. Bike also benefits from a datatag, so that could help your insurance potentially. Let's just give her a start up for you. It's a lovely looking bike. It's a great saving from new. We do have one of these which is slightly older, a little bit cheaper in black as well, so check out the website for that if you're interested. But yeah, as you'd expect, it's immaculate. This bike will benefit from free delivery during the lockdown period, so you can ask us about delivery. We do take part exchange as well, and obviously we can offer you some discount on accessories. If you're interested in the bike or you've got any questions, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp, Facebook, via the website, and all the usual channels. And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.